Hello, it's Dr. C and welcome to the classroom assessment for elementary school class. We have 3 cohorts, so I thought it would be fun for us to do a little welcome video to get to know each other across the cohorts. Anyway, to begin, I have a PhD in multicultural multilingual education and educational leadership, and I have taught in elementary school as a specialist, as a classroom teacher, and as a principal. So I have a lot of experience and mostly in Title I schools or high poverty schools. So my assessment story and how that affects how I teach assessment to you all and to our K through 12 students is when I was younger, many years before all of you were in elementary school, way back when, testing was, for me, very easy because back then we just basically memorized what we needed to know and spit it out on the test. And that was the same for the standardized testing. I kind of figured out what I needed to do to pass the test. I was able to do really well. So I was a tester. But the ways I was tested was not authentic or meaningful. I didn't internalize my learning at all. It was all rote memorization. So moving forward, what I try to do and what I try to help our future teacher candidates do is to teach assessment, use assessment in real authentic ways that help learners to internalize their learning and to truly grow. And assessment can be really fun. So 2 truths and a lie about me. I speak 2 languages fluently. So I'm bilingual and biliterate. I have a silver Labrador and a French Bulldog. And when I went deep sea fishing and I caught a great white shark. So can you tell which one is a truth and which one is a lie? So I hope that you'll do the same. Just share something interesting about your experiences and especially your assessment story, and then 2 truths and a lie, and we'll try to figure out which ones are the truth and which are the lie from each other, which is just a fun way to get to know each other a little bit. Welcome to the course.